Welcome to Tiny DIY Craft Channel. Enjoy the video. Create the character you like. Can you guess what this is? Attach the back part. Insert the pen refill. Stuff the cotton inside. After this video, which character pen did you make? Share with me in the comments below. Color Doraemon. Cut out the mouth part. Cut the foam. Attach the back part. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny DIY Craft. Stuff the cotton inside. Cover with a layer of plastic wrap. Wrap the outside with clay. Paint with colors. Little broom and dustpan set. Cut the circle in half. Cut into thin strips. Fold along the crease. Attach the dustpan handle. Paint with colors. Cut into small foam pieces. Attach it. Divide into shapes. Draw in your own style. Attach the string. If you have a better way to make it, share with me in the comments. Heat until melted. Pour into the mold. Add glitter. Bend into butterfly wings. Curve it. If you like this tiny DIY craft video, don't forget to like and share. Create the animal shape you like. Attach it to the small foam board. Add a shiny plastic layer on top. Wow, a spinning album! How amazing! Fold along the crease. Attach the cover. Attach the spine. Stick photos or stickers you like. Wow, a beautiful pencil box. First will be fold along the crease. Don't forget to share with Tiny DIY Craft what character you will make for your pencil box in the comments. Make the window. Make the big door. Create the sliding bar. Attach the character. Add decorations. Guess what this is? It's a pencil case. Fold 1/4 of the paper. Fix it in place. Fold the flap of the bag. Add decorations. Share with me in the comments if you have a better idea. Wow, what is this? Attach it. Attach the back side. Add accessories as you like. Finally, add a note with your wishes. Such a cute ball! Sprinkle small accessories in. Draw decorations. It's a lunchbox, so pretty! Make it into a box. Make it into a box. Put it inside the box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss the next ones. It's a mini camera. Cut out the shape. Make the camera lens. Create the button. Guess what this is? Fold along the crease. Wow, it's a spinning photo frame. Don't forget to add more decorations. attach the points. Looks so beautiful. Stick both ends together. Extra accessories. Fix the other end in place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny DIY Craft. See you in the next videos.